Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to the Den. Whoa, the Den. Oh, tonight we are working on just kind of oddball some stuff here. We got light bulb that boom falls apart, doesn't work, and oh, here's the light socket for that. That's a 9-watt bulb there, and yeah, you just hear that? That ain't no glass. That's not a glass bulb on that one. Pretty neat. That LED bulb there. 16 of them it's got. 16 panels on there. I don't know. I worked out the voltages. 3 of a piece, and I gave it my one power supply, and I couldn't get anything to light. So, odd. But it's telling me it needs more voltage. I'll have to try it sometime on my other one. And the other thing, I just got a little wall wart. This is the Chirp-ee. That's how it's spelled. Chirp-ee. Ooh. Chirp-ee. 12 volt. That's a 3-watt power supply here. And that guy's not working, so I got him apart. And got some issues going on here. I'm glad I didn't record this part earlier, getting it apart, because it was rather comical trying to get this thing apart. I gotta tell you, it was a bit of a struggle, and I had the knife in there, and I'm jamming away. You can see I freaking nicked the crap out of it. If you look at this, it's all rough. It had a little bit of glue on it there, but that was nothing. And I get it like half apart, and I notice that it's got a stem through the center. I'm like, what in the hell? And I'm like, oh, a hidden screw. Well, I gotta say, I actually checked this. I actually took my razor knife. It was actually a new knife. It was this knife, actually, before I snapped the tiny point off the end. And I went just like this, right in the center. I went boink, 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 boink. So I'm going, how is there a hole in that? This is freaking covered, not by a sticker, but by, I mean, some seriously hard stuff. You can see, actually, if you look in the edge, hopefully you guys can see that. How freaking, the aluminum there. It's like aluminum. Oh, here, it's coming off the corner. Yeah, aluminum plate. I didn't expect that at all. You can see that. Yeah, so obviously putting the knife through it wasn't going to poke. You know, I'm figuring it's sticker, so I checked. Check it quick. So, yeah, I'm like, oh, I better, better do something. So, here we got, I just got it slapped together, drawn out quick on, what's going on with it. We got our power comes in, the red and the black. Then we're tied to here, our plug outlet. and it does a whole bunch of fancy things going on. You got 2 transformers. Whoa! What's the matter here? Oh, this thing's pissed. And sorry about that. That thing is very rude tonight. Yeah, a lot of fancy things going on. And 2 transformers, and basically then out the window. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on right now. I'm just kind of testing everything to see where it's at. I haven't done the capacitors yet, so that's what I wanted to check right now. I figured I'd catch that on, get it live. It's such interesting stuff. Get rolling on something here. Come on. Beeping me. Thing was bleeping the crap out of me. Alright. How do I have that set up? I don't know if this is going to make sense to you. It makes sense to me, I guess. I don't know if that... But that's the circuit of it. And the components. Them are transformers. Where's my pointer? Here's my grabby pointer. Okay, so right there, that thing that I'm eating right now, that's the transformer. them both up there. Where's me plate? What? What? I need a plate. This plate. There we go. This will work. Just like this. Okay. Oh! Woo! Fumble. Oh yeah, there were some tracks actually. If you look at the back of this too, the tracks were looking. Some are looking pretty rough and rugged. Some pretty ugly solder joints. So, test them out by bouncing off the floor a couple times. But anyways, the paperwork here. So transformer, that's the one getting eaten right here. Is right here. And then you can see how it's laid out. Big capacitor. Gonna take a big chunk out of that. That is right here on the paper. And so that's how everything's laid out. So I got 1, 2, 3 capacitors plus 3 electrolytic capacitors. I'm not for just testing to see. I was getting nothing coming out of the test leads here on the end. So I'm not really worried about the ceramic capacitors right now, the flat disc capacitors. But I do want to test the electrolytics. So let's get on it. Try to make it as exciting as possible for you guys. Yeah, that light bulb's pretty interesting. Ended up being a bad capacitor, actually. I already got the new one put in. Here's the old one, and as if you could see, obviously that's what's bad with it. Whoop. Get that so you guys can. So zoom in on. Come on. Wow, yeah, come on. Yeah, his phone. Don't even get me started. But anyways, the top's blown out, so it's totally roasted. When I was soldering it, there was smoke. When I unsolderized it, I had smoke coming right out of the top of it. So, yeah, it's definitely shot. And the inductor, by the time I got it apart, this is all together, glued in here. And man, getting that apart was really something. And this is broke right off the bottom piece. This slides up in there, stuffs up in there, or like that, whatever. Yeah, that was something, banging that sucker apart. And the inductor was just floating around in there. I'm guessing more than likely that it still had the studs in it. They were just pulled out of the bottom. I'm guessing that it probably got knocked out when I was kind of banging on it, trying to get it apart. So, but yeah, that's what's going on here. So let's get rolling. We'll test the big capacitor. I'm just going to test right now capacitance. This is a 16 volt 500 microfarads. Test leads right here. We'll see what we get. Come on. Like chopsticks. They never line up. I swear, every time. I even clip these stupid, I don't know why they do it. If they're for protection or what. These little ribs they put around them. I always clip them because they get in the way when I'm trying to do stuff like this. They always do. Seems like I always have them. Can I do this? Or is this a big fail here? What is going on? Thought I was good at chopsticks. Okay, what do we got? Come on. Thinking. Oh my god, still thinking. Oh my god, this is impossible. This probably ain't gonna work out so good. I might have to grab my other multimeter. Come on here. Too much crap. Come on, hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, I think it. Try this again. Oh, yeah. Thinking again. Yeah, I'm thinking that's not gonna work out. I don't know if it's because it's in circuit or what the deal is going on there. Usually it spits out a reading for me, so I don't know. It's being lazy. Let me grab this guy here. See if I can't get something. This one I got the clips on it. Obviously you could tell I love my clamp meters. I love having them hung right out in front of me. That way I don't have to set them like this and then I glare, I can't see it or whatever. No, none of that crap. They're always hanging right where I can see it. Perfect. Love it. Negatory over there. It's on it. Hello. I did grab these with the pliers too when I first took that apart. You know, it's not working just to make sure that, especially that sucker there, the 500 microfarads, wasn't charging. Come on here. Huh. Could have swore I've had no problem testing, especially the main filter capacitor like that. I thought I never had problems testing them. Guess I'm gonna have to pop the pop a lead. The old pop a lead trick. So, oh, show you guys something real fancy I came up with. Got this guy here. All this is oh, there's a lot going on here. I don't know what this thing is. It's this S to the Z type thing, but it was a whole full circle. I found it. I don't know where. That was broke off this one, so I just so I had this going 4 ways. I glued a magnet to it, and then this is a stovetop plate thing, heavy. But yeah, you know what this works really well for is not so much these little ones, but it holds the circuit boards quite well. So just like that, or if I want it straight up and down, I can do that. These little ones are a little tough because there's just, especially when they don't have the edge. If I took the wires out, this would work better. But you can even see like that. Yeah, it holds it real well. But yeah, that's my geniusness of the year. So I will not be patenting it. So if anyone feel free to use it. But the thing is man, some of this stuff is really, and that's the thing I found getting into this is some of it's hard and there's so many things you got to buy and have and this and that. But man, there's so much stuff that you can just improvise with anything, you know. Just take the stupid the lights with the flexible tops. If you can get them, they're throwing out all the time. If you can come across the set and take them apart and just put a little clamp on the end, you can make a little recess clamp out all the way. Stand it up a little bit. Come on. Come on there. There it goes. There it goes. Might as well get the other ones. Might as well get them all out. 1, 2. 1, 2. Where are the legs? Where's your legs? Speedy. Okay, there's one. There's one. Right there. One leg. Two legs. Ah. One leg. Go. Oh. Two. Go 2 leg. Ah. What a grab. Oh, I do have these marked right. Let's see. I believe I had these marked also on what was positive and negative. Don't need that on. Which way did I have that? That goes... I got the transformer up. Can't figure it out. Oh yeah, it's like this. Always up and down. Man, I thought I did. Now I don't see. Should I mark the back or what? Well, I know the negative was on the inside of this one. Oh, yeah, I marked here. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be hard to see it, but yeah, I marked on the top here. I marked that one's that way, the negative thing, so I marked the capacitor in front of it and the side of the board. This one, I marked the resistor, so this one I marked right here, just off to the side of it. That black spot tells me that one's... So I did, and just to make sure of where they go, I got 3 and then the big one. So I got a 0.01, a 0.02, and a 50 nanofarads. So, and then the big one. So, yeah, they're all different, so I can pull all of them. Don't have to worry. I did test the transistors, and them seem to test out fine. In circuit as well. They didn't have any issues, so that was nice for once. Oh, I have to get the knife in there. Not that I care or really need. I absolutely love working on stuff like this, though. It, like I said, it's not that I need this stuff or anything. Or need these. The Chirp-ee, I have no idea where that come from or what it's off of. Honestly, it's Chirp-ee. Actually, that reminds me. It sounds like it's off of Christmas. Wow, that one tight. Holy crap! Off of a Christmas thing that I think it was a sensor that buzzed or it went beep 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 beep. Yeah, beep beep beep. Really loud when you made a walk by it or some jazz like that, or turned it on or something. It went in a Christmas tree. It was a weird deal. Alright, I'm going to try not to cut myself with that knife because it is sharp. Did I get that leg? Almost. Man, it acts like I got it. This one's the one I just can't get in there. There it goes. That's 4. That's them. So as you can see, they got the negatory on each side marked because they're electrolytic, so they're going to have a positive side and a negative side. So let's get them tested up. Oh, put that back. Need to hurt myself with that. That would suck. Oh, I can shut this off. 375, that's what I was just desoldering at. Not that I get any questions or anything, but yeah, if someone's interested in knowing it, maybe help them out. I'm forgetting how to use this one. I always use, just for some reason, always using my other one. Okay, this is a 50 microfarads, 10 volt. 82 mics. Ain't good. That's a lot more. 10% is what you want. 82.4. I'm going to write that down so it's docked. 50 microfarads is 80 to 50. Come on. $10 volt. 82.4. Do the big one. Go big. Go big, big. Man, hands are not working today. $5.67. That should be fine. Bigger cap like that, you shouldn't have any issues. Start getting way out of tolerance, then that's when you got a problem. 10% of 500 is 10% of 100 is 50. So 50 either way, 67, it'll be fine. Look, again, it's not, this isn't anything complex or nothing like that. It's a dumb old, doesn't even have a bridge rectifier on it, so I mean, it's nothing fancy we're working on here. Just a dumb old power supply. AC. I'm guessing AC. Now, I'm not totally positive. This one is 10 microfarads. Now, this one is reading, yeah. Oh, I'm thinking, wait. 19.7 microfarads. I know it's farads. I just talk. That's what I do. Supposed to read 10. So that's almost off by 100%. That's not good. That no fly straight. 10 micro. What am I writing? 10. Hello, wake up. Not with it. 10 and 10. This is the other 10 and 10. Now, again, I want to make sure, testing this, that I don't get the leads waxed together here. So I do have a gap in between. Oh, wow, that one's off too. 18, that's not far from, as much off as the other one, 17.8. Them are junk. $10 microfarads, 10 volt. 10. So, let's see, what else we got here? Gonna work on what's up next. Oh yeah, I gotta measure out this inductor to find a matching one. But, whoa, shaking boat. These two are junk, so they can go here. 10 10s. How's my other one? I forget. I thought that was close enough. 16 volt. 50. Oh, it was way off. Yeah, it should be changed. I'll mark, put a red mark next to them so I change them. 2 and 3. So them will be junk. I save my junk parts that I take out and replace for some reason. I don't know why. It's just something that I do. do strange things, because that's what I do. 'Cause I like it.